Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, minerals and ores. So, the first question is, what is minerals? Minerals are natural substances that have definite chemical composition. All rocks are composed of minerals. For example, diamonds, quartz, gypsum, etc. And what is ores? Minerals are extracted from ores, means an ore is a naturally occurring solid material that contains a large amount of a particular mineral, usually a metal. For example, iron ores, copper ores, bauxite, etc. Characteristics of minerals. They are mostly solid in form. They are naturally occurring substances. They are of various colors. All minerals are exhaustible. Means will exhaust after a certain time. Types of minerals. Depending on their physical and chemical properties, minerals can be classified into two broad categories: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. What is metallic minerals? Metallic minerals contain metals which are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity. For example, iron ore, bauxite, copper, etc. Metallic minerals are further classified into ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals. What is ferrous minerals? Ferrous minerals are those that contain iron, such as iron ore, manganese, etc. And non-ferrous minerals are those that do not contain iron, such as gold, silver, etc. Non-metallic minerals. What is non-metallic minerals? Non-metallic minerals do not contain any extractable metals and are found in sedimentary rocks. For example, coal, limestones, gypsum, mica, etc. Distribution of minerals. Minerals are unevenly distributed in the world. For example, Ganga plains in India do not have good mineral resources, whereas the igneous and metamorphic rocks of central and the southern peninsular parts of India are rich in mineral resources. Okay. Metallic minerals. At first, iron ore. The most important metallic minerals in the world is iron ore. There are 4 different types of iron ores: magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Magnetite. Magnetite is the best quality iron ore. It contains almost 75% iron. It is deep brown or almost black in color and is therefore also known as black ore. Next, hematite. Hematite is the most abundant of all ores and contains 70% iron. It is the natural ore and is reddish in color. Third, limonite. Limonite is a yellowish colored iron ore containing about 60% iron. Being closer to the earth's surface, limonite is easier and also cheaper to mine. Siderite. It contains only about 40% iron. Uses. Iron is used in the making of steel. It can be used for making machines used in heavy industries and other industries. Distribution of iron ore in the world. The major producers of iron ore are China, Australia, Brazil, South Africa, etc. China produces almost 45% of the total world production, followed by Australia and Brazil. Distribution of iron ore in India. Look at the map. Just follow the index. In India, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are the major iron producing states. Okay. Next, uranium. Uranium is a hard silvery material. Uranium is used in the nuclear power plant as fuel. Kazakhstan is the world's largest producer of uranium, followed by Canada, Australia. India produces less than 1% of the total uranium produced in the world. In India, uranium is found in East Shingbhum in Jharkhand. Bauxite. Bauxite is a clay-like substance that contains several minerals from which alumina and later aluminium is extracted. Bauxite is the lightest metal. It is used in the aircraft industry. Bauxite is very important for the electrical industries. Australia, China and Brazil are the world's 3 largest producers of this metal. In India, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Odisha are the bauxite producing states. Let's see the India map. Look at the index. Red dots indicates the region of bauxite producing states. Okay.